Yo, what's up guys? Join me to unbox another product from JCONLY Tattoo Equipments. Are you waiting for? Let's go. Okay guys, let's see what's inside the box. First, we have a shirt. T-shirt. Thank you JCONLY for this wonderful shirt. Open it. Nice. JCONLY. Innovation for tattooing. Nice shirt. Thank you. And what else? Let's see. We have a banner and JCONLY for events. I'm gonna use this for events. Nice. For dut-dutan. Let's see what else. This one. Bigger banner. JCONLY, thanks for this. Yeah, for event also. Can use this for event. Thank you JCONLY. And smaller one. Small banner. Thank you. And what else? We have some needles here. JCONLY needles, cartridges. This is by 20s. You can order this on JCONLY and enter my code to get a 10% discount. Just check this discount code and put it in to get a 10% discount. We have some 5 boxes here. Thank you JCONLY for making us one of your partner. That's all. We have 5 boxes. Thank you JCONLY. See you. I will use this product in my tattoo artworks. Thank you JCONLY for the support, for the needles that you gave me. And if you want to get a 10% discount, just visit the site below and then enter my code. That's it. Thank you JCONLY.